Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Mercedes-Benz. 2011 Mercedes-Benz ML 350 4MATIC. Power, elegance, and pure luxury in every mile. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 149,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the exceptional 2011 Mercedes-Benz ML 350 4MATIC, a luxury SUV that blends power, style, and sophistication. Under the hood lies a robust 3.5L V6 engine delivering 268 horsepower and 258 ft-lbs of torque, giving you the thrill of a rocket on wheels. Dressed in a striking Iridium Silver Metallic exterior with plush black leather seats, this SUV is as elegant as it is powerful. With less than 149,000 miles, averaging under 10,000 per year, it's been meticulously cared for. And with 15 mpg city/20 mpg highway, it's ready for your next adventure without draining your wallet. In excellent condition and backed by a clean Carfax report, this ML 350 is the epitome of reliability and luxury. Come see it for yourself and experience the ultimate in driving comfort. Don't wait. Your dream SUV is here, ready to impress. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass and window defogger.